In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ClickUp dashboard widget that shows you changes over time. We'll walk through getting into ClickUp, opening a dashboard, and using the built-in widgets that surface progress week by week so you can quickly spot trends and act on them. Start by heading to clickup.com and signing in. Choose Continue with Google, then pick your Google account to authenticate. Once you're in, navigate to your team space. This is the workspace where your people, projects, and permissions live, so make sure you're in the right one for the data you want to analyze. From there, open the relevant project folder. Folders group related lists and tasks, which keeps your dashboard focused on a coherent set of work. Next, switch to the View menu and choose Dashboard. Dashboards are ClickUp's way of consolidating live metrics into one place. Open the simple dashboard. It's a clean starting point that already contains the most useful widgets for seeing what's changing over time without any extra setup. Let's explore what each card tells you. The Unassigned Tasks widget highlights work that doesn't have an owner yet. This is a fast way to prevent tasks from stalling. If this number climbs week to week, you know follow-up is needed. The In Progress Tasks widget shows active work. A healthy delivery rhythm usually has steady movement here, not long-term accumulation. Right beside it, the Completed Tasks widget helps you gauge throughput. If completed tasks rise after a planning session or sprint, that's a good sign that work is flowing. For a time-bound view, check tasks completed this week. This is your pulse on recent change. Use it in meetings to recap what moved and to celebrate wins. Pair that with tasks due this week or overdue to see commitments at risk. If overdue tasks trend up, that's an early signal to reallocate, reduce scope, or remove blockers before slip turns into churn. Workload by status gives you a snapshot of where tasks sit across statuses. While it's a point-in-time view, looking at this regularly helps you notice bottlenecks forming, like too much piling up in review. Finally, open latest activity. This chronological feed shows the actual changes, new comments, status updates, due date shifts, so you can connect the metrics to the underlying actions. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to your space and folder, opened the dashboard, and reviewed the widgets that illuminate change over time. For reliable insights, keep tasks updated with accurate assignees, statuses, and due dates. Review this dashboard on a consistent cadence, and you'll spot trends early, keep work moving, and make smarter decisions with confidence.